Before pursuing my undergraduate studies in psychology, I was a computer science major for a year and a half. What I learned there helped me build a framework for managing stress. Over time, I learned how to relax my mind and body more effectively, improve my sleep quality, and enhance my focus through various relaxation techniques. The human mind shares a key principle with computers. Some computer programs only use the memory they actually need. That way, they run smoothly without wasting any resources. Similarly, our mind dedicates some of its resources to coping with stress. However, if the stress reaction persists for too long, it can affect sleep, appetite, the ability to focus, and other aspects of your life. In a way, it creates a cognitive load, leading to exhaustion. So how can relaxation help us use our resources better? Let me explain this with an experiment conducted by a Nobel Prize-winning scientist. In the early 1930s, a scientist named Hans Selye began a groundbreaking series of experiments to uncover what stress does to the body. He exposed lab rats to intense heat, deafening noise, and even placed aggressive rats among them. Then he examined their bodies. What he found was startling. These images are from his book, The Stress of Life. Some of the rats that had been exposed to intense stress showed signs of organ damage. They had ulcers in their stomachs, enlarged adrenal glands, and were physically exhausted. His work marked the beginning of our scientific understanding of stress, not as a vague feeling, but as a force that leaves real, physical scars. I know the experiments sound horrifying, but Selye also discovered something remarkable, that stress can be transformed into motivation and excitement. Selye called the kind of stress that wears us down and leads to exhaustion distress. It's the kind of stress that doesn't motivate, it overwhelms. It drains our energy, feeds anxiety, and leaves us feeling helpless. Unlike healthy stress, this stress breaks us down mentally, emotionally, and even physically. But there was another kind of stress called eustress. It motivated people, helped them overcome challenges, it contributed to their well-being in the long run. Thanks to eustress, we can transform our struggles into a creative force. One way to handle stress is to build a bridge from distress to eustress. And one of the most powerful tools for crossing that bridge is learning how to truly relax. Not by escaping stress, but by transforming it. When you truly relax, your muscles loosen, tension fades, and your body finally gets a signal. You are safe now. Stress hormones drop, the pressure, the urgency, it all begins to dissolve. Your rest becomes real. And most of all, a subtle but profound shift begins in the mind. A sense of calm, a feeling of being grounded. Obviously, there is no escape from stress. It's just a part of our human existence. But we need healthy amount of stress to grow and feel fulfilled in our lives. On the other hand, we need ways to slow down and relax and just appreciate the beauty within and around us. One last thing, we can use stress to enhance our performance in any field. Please check out the upcoming video called Mindset, your first step to unlocking your true potential. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, take care and goodbye.